Yo, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? So today in this video we're gonna make a simple calculator through a Python. So not going to waste any more time because this video I'm gonna make so short to keep your attention. Let's start. So first of all, choose an operator. Choose a variable. I'm gonna choose operator, then a function input, then simply type enter an operator and get four operators. First one is all about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and it's a clone, and we have to have two numbers and between them we'll use an operator. So num1 equals to, use the float function, inside it use input function, and inside it enter your first number, then clone, and this it's gonna be number 2 and second number. Now we're going to go with condition else statement. If operator is equals to plus, so it's gonna be like result equals to num1 plus num2, means number 1 plus number 2, and print it with round function. Result is gonna be with 3 numbers. So copy this one, and else if type else if operator is equals to subtraction, so it's gonna be num minus num2 and same. Else if operator equals to subtraction, it's gonna be subtraction with this. So print, what is the error here? Print. And now else if, one more condition, that is else if the operator is equals to division, so it will be like this. Print num1 divided by num2. Everything is okay. So now the last line is that what is happening here? Print round, and result is with 3 characters, and the last line is print and if double inverted with second bracket, operator is not a valid operator, and there shouldn't be any space. So now run the program and see what happens. So firstly we'll have to input or we have to suggest operator and operator. So I'm gonna suggest plus, enter your first number. I'm gonna type 10, enter your second number is gonna type 10 equals to 20, 10 plus 10 equals to 20, and again run it and input your first input the operator. I'm gonna type multiplication. First number is gonna be 3, the second number is gonna be 3, and it should be 9, because if we multiply 3 by 3 we'll get 9. And I'm not going to show other operators because it's working. So bye bye, Allah Hafiz.